Welcome in for sale at Lloyd Jaguar and Carlisle, this Volkswagen Tiguan TSI Elegance with an eye-catching Nightshade Blue Exterior as well as LED headlights. This VW Tiguan also comes fitted with diamond-turned alloy wheels, keyless entry and privacy glass. Heading over to the back of the Tiguan now, we're just going to take a look at some more of that badging and then open up the power tailgate to show plenty of space for any luggage or shopping. Taking a look inside the Tiguan now, I'm just showing off the electric window controls and then coming down to the front seats as well as the sliding panoramic sunroof. Coming down to the centre console now, we've got the gear shift as well as a 2-zone climate control, heated front seats and the infotainment system. This touchscreen infotainment system has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the Apple Carplay, Android Auto, rear camera, navigation and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Tiguan now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers as well as ISOFIX, cup holders and climate control. For any more information or personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.